We're in SM and we're eating merienda. This is gonna be our meal before we go on a matcha crawl. The first one we wanna go to is Maru Matcha in Porta Vaga. And then next we wanna go to Mandatory Matcha sa Hotel Venice sa flea market. And we also just wanna go around kasi daw 500 and below yung mga items. So I just wanna see what's up. Why we went here first kasi magpapagupit si Mikay, and also I wanted to buy dog food and I'm done with the dog food. But I wanted to buy headphones and I'm thinking in Shopee I had a 3,000 discount and then I lost it kasi hindi ako nag-check out agad. So isip ko, since I lost my 3,000 discount, then why not just buy it in store? But then parang it's more expensive in store by double. I'm thinking, should I just not buy it anymore or should I just buy it in Shopee? I'm still thinking. I don't know. Maybe I need to eat first kasi parang wala ako sa mood. We also wanted to try these balls, mozza balls.
Like this.
Yeah, binabalatan niya yung corn dog niya, guys. Hindi niya binabalatan like a normal person. Oh, this is just like a donut with cheese inside na parang may powdered sugar.
Hop naman.
Yeah. Pwede na siya for 119. This is half cheese, half hot dog, plus potato. 145 na pala tong kinakain kong corn dog. Ang mahal na. Sa'yo, 95 lang. This is Kiro Latte, yung may sweet corn, I think. From Maru Matcha. Masarap. Bagay siya. Masarap siya. I want to buy this. This is Ayamaru. 1,650 for 50 grams. Yung binili kong matcha sa Shopee to be delivered on May 16, but until now, it still says it's in Japan. It's May 16. So, di ko alam talaga kailan ko siya makuha and I don't have any more powders. Wala daw talaga tong bitterness at all. And sabi nila, like, you don't even need to put sweetener with how sweet it is. So, let's try. I wanna try it. I'll think about it because it's 1,650. It's gonna be the most expensive matcha powder I've ever bought. Let's think about it. Ang sarap nito. This is the only time we have a lot of 100s and all of them IOE accept, so I guess it's not meant to be. Let's just go to another photo booth here din sa Porta Vaga. Ayaw talaga. So let's go to the photo booth sa across Porta Vaga. This is from Green Day sa Porta Vaga. Refreshing kasi hindi matamis nga. Should I buy matcha powder sa Maru Matcha or wag na? I really wanted to try mandatory matcha. That's part of our agenda today, but I can't find them. And I saw it on Instagram. So maybe they're sold out from the other days nung flea market. So on this last day, they didn't go na. Sobrang cute ng photos namin sa photo booth. It's 299. Sobrang ganda ng quality. I put it on the back of my Kindle. Ang ganda ng quality and it's 2 copies. And also, nagpa-drawing kami doon sa flea market. Cute naman. Day was so tiring. It's so init. But it was very fun. Bye!